7 disturbing things that happen when you don't shower. You might think skipping a shower is no big deal. Maybe you're running late. Maybe you're just tired. Or maybe you're thinking, one day can't hurt, right? But what if I told you the effect go far beyond feeling a little grimy? Because when you stop showering, things start happening to your body, and not in a good way. From skin infections to psychological shifts, here are 7 things that happen when you don't shower, and why you might seriously want to reconsider skipping that daily rinse. 1. Your skin becomes a bacterial breeding ground. Let's start with the surface, your skin. When you skip a shower, it's not just dirt and sweat that pile up. You're actually turning your body into a hotel for bacteria. Warm, moist, and unwashed skin, that's bacteria's dream home. As they multiply, you're more likely to experience breakouts, clogged pores, acne, and even fungal infections like athlete's foot. What's worse, all that sweat and dead skin create a sticky layer that traps bacteria, leading to serious odor as they feast on the proteins in your sweat. Spoiler alert, that smell isn't natural musk, it's bacteria doing their dirty work. 2. Your body starts healing slower. This one might surprise you. Not showering can actually slow down your body's ability to heal. Any minor cut, scratch, or skin irritation you have is now vulnerable. Why? Because showering helps flush away dirt and bacteria from these tiny openings. But when you let grime build up, you risk infections. And once bacteria get in, healing takes longer. If you've recently had surgery, a piercing, or even just a bug bite, skipping showers can make things far worse than you think. 3. Your mental health might take a hit. Think hygiene is only physical. Think again. Neglecting showers can subtly erode your mental well-being. You might start feeling less confident, more withdrawn, and uncomfortable in your own skin, literally and emotionally. And here's something powerful. Showering isn't just about getting clean. It's a form of daily self-care. That warm water, that quiet time alone, it resets your brain, boosts your mood, and gives your day structure. Without it, you may find yourself feeling off, even if you don't realize why. 4. Your risk of infection skyrockets. Bacteria doesn't just sit on the surface, it looks for a way in. No showers mean higher risk of all kinds of infections. Skin infections, UTIs, fungal flare-ups, and in rare cases, even more serious health conditions. Especially if you've got small wounds or inflamed areas. It's like leaving your front door wide open in a sketchy neighborhood. You're inviting unwanted guests in, and they won't leave quietly. 5. Your hair turns greasy, itchy, and smelly. Now let's talk about your scalp. Without washing, natural oils start to smother your hair, making it look stringy, greasy, and dull. Dead skin cells pile up. Your scalp starts to itch. You scratch, it flakes, and yes, it can start to stink. Environmental pollutants stick to the oil like glue. If left unchecked, this buildup can trigger scalp infections or worsen conditions like dandruff. The result? Hair that feels heavy, looks lifeless, and smells like you've been camping in a dumpster. 6. Skin irritations and rashes start appearing. When sweat, grime, and bacteria combine, your skin reacts, and not kindly. Itching, redness, rashes. You might even develop folliculitis, where your hair follicles get infected and swollen. Painful and unsightly. And here's a warning. Areas where skin touches skin, like underarms, groin, under the breasts, are prime zones for these irritations. Skip too many showers, and your skin will feel rough, look dull, and feel like it's crawling. 7. Your body odor becomes unbearable. And finally, the one you probably expected. Body odor doesn't just happen. It's the result of bacteria breaking down your sweat, and it gets worse the longer you wait. We're not just talking armpits. Odor can build behind your ears, in your groin, between your toes, and anywhere sweat collects. Each day you skip a shower, the smell becomes stronger, deeper, and harder to mask. No amount of deodorant or perfume can hide what your skin is screaming. So what's the takeaway? Skipping one shower isn't the end of the world. But make it a habit, and your body, mind, and skin will all start to show signs. Because hygiene isn't just about looking fresh. It's a silent signal of how much you respect your body, and how much control you have over your daily habits. If this gave you something to think about, like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps you sharp, clean, and unstoppable. And remember, the shower isn't just water, it's a reset button. Use it.